Polymer clay is so easy to use that it can be made at home and baked until it's rock solid and water resistant. Here are 3 unique ways of using clay to create stunning home decor pieces like crystal dishes, coasters, and candle holders. Who doesn't love crystals in their home? This DIY will show you how to make polymer clay geodes, which you can use to keep your jewelry or as home decor. The things you will need are polymer clay, alum powder, Fevicol, sponge brush, food coloring. Take a clay of your choice and mold it into the shape of a bowl. The edges can be left uneven to make it look raw and natural. Once you've got the desired shape, place it on some crushed foil to help keep its shape and bake it for 30 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius. Once it is baked and cooled, cover the surface with a generous coat of Fevicol. Pour alum powder into your clay shell until the surface is covered. Pour out the excess and allow it to dry. Next, mix half a cup of alum powder with 1 cup of hot water and stir well so that all the powder is dissolved. Add in food coloring until the water is colored to your liking and place your alum-covered clay shell in the water, making sure it's fully submerged. Leave it overnight and you will see the alum has crystallized onto your clay. These crystalline geodes are breathtaking and make the perfect delicate dish to display your jewelry. One can never have too many candle holders, and with this technique, you can create your own marbled candle holder that will look beautiful in any room. To make this, you will need 2 to 3 colors of polymer clay. We chose 3 colors to make this marbled holder. We are using more white and a smaller quantity of 2 shades of pink to get our desired effect. Knead the clay until it's soft and easy to use and then shape it into a long roll. Do this for each color you've selected. Now, bring all 3 together and start twisting them. Continue twisting and rolling alternately until you're happy with your marble effect. Now you can start shaping your round candle holder by coiling it around itself and flattening till it's a thick disc. Press in the bottom of your candle to make the center of your candle holders. Remove the candle and bake at 120 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes for it to harden. This marble pattern home decor is on trend and will have your guests wondering where you bought it. Coasters are the perfect way to protect your furniture from stains. And with these tips, you can make your own that will be more unique than any other coaster out there. To make this, you can use polymer clay and a rolling pin. Choose the colors you want for your coaster. We're going in with white, light blue, dark blue, and yellow. Knead the clay until it becomes easy to work with. Now roll long strips of each color and begin coiling them in a spiral. Try overlapping some strips for an organic look. Once you are happy with your pattern, flatten the colors into each other slightly using your fingers and then go over it with a rolling pin until it's even. These are now ready to be baked at 120 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Not only will these save your surfaces, but they're also incredibly eye-catching and so easy to make as well. Now that you know how easy it is to work with polymer clay, try it yourself and experiment to make your own unique home decorations. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.